Sekuphela amahora angaphezu kwama-24 ungekho ugesi kwezinye izingxenye zeRoodepoort. iCity Power ithi inkinga enkulu ukucekelwa phansi kwengqalasizinda ephakela ngogesi.
We do acknowledge as City Power the huge backlog of calls, and we really attribute this to the rampant vandalism and theft that is happening in that area. And I'm saying rampant and also blatant vandalism because of the way our infrastructure is basically under attack.
iCity Power ithi ngesonto ledlule kubikwe izehlakalo eziyishumi zokucekelwa phansi kwengqalasizinda kanti nohlelo lokucisha ngogesi linomthelela.
While we have replaced about 7 of those mini substations, and one is costing about 700,000 rands, so almost 100, at least 100 million could have been spent in terms, at least 10 million could have been spent in terms of replacing some of these mini substations that we have already replaced.
iCity Power inxusa izakhamuzi ezithintekile kule ngqinamba ukuba zehlisa amaphaphu.